Good morning, Macgyver Sharon here, back for part 2. The wind is still freaking crazy out there, so I'm sort of got all the hatches buttoned down in my camper shell. Still rocking. Part 2, let's get this thing done. And we're back. So, this is what I'm thinking of. This will go right here with a hole, and one on the other side. Though I gotta wait because I don't only have one of these. When this drawer is back, tray, stopping going any further from this part, and this locking pin will be right there. And there, going into my shelf. And when I pull it out, put the stand on, hold it in place for now, that same hole will go here, the same hole, because there'll be another hole on my table. If there's one here, and there's one there, and this stand is under here. This is pulled out, and it's not going to go this way. It's not going to go that way. It's going to be stable. So let's give it a shot. Like I said, I only have one of these right now, and I can't get anywhere. So we'll do one side. We'll go ahead and drill the hole for the other side. Probably put I think I have a couple dowel pins or screws to put there temporary. Alrighty, continue forward. Oops. I've already marked the hole for the tray anyway. I'm gonna hang this off the edge a little so I don't drill through the table. Alright, one hole. So, when it's pushed back all the way, get this lined up to the edge. I'm on the edge, baby. And then I'm going to drill through to the table. It's going to be a little hard, so I'm just going to mark it. Pull it out. There's the hole I need to drill without breaking my window. A shorter drill bit would be nice. Well, if I can move it back. Nope. It was worth a try, right? So hopefully, I'll do this on both sides, but hopefully, let's see if it's big enough. I wanted a semi-tight fit. There we go. So when I'm driving, my tray, oh, by the way, this is also dual purpose, because if I want to go outside, I'll just carry my tray out there. My beautiful tray. Okay. What? Somebody turn out the lights. There we go. So there you have it. There's one side. See, right now, ooh, there's an idea. Nope, nope, nope. Stick to the plan. So now, when I'm driving, this will keep it on my shelf, and I'll put one on the other side, all the way over here, and that'll keep this in place. Now, I got to drill another hole, not on the tray, but in the table underneath, so when I am going to pull it out and put the stand up that I haven't cut to form yet, I'll just lift this up. I will slide this forward. I'll put the leg down, and there'll be another hole in my table, and I'll slide the locking pins in there. So this way, once I get the leg built on the other end, it'll hold it up. I can even go this far. And my tray won't slide this way. I'll give you a better view. So, there's my stove. I had that basket screwed down, but I took it out because I am going to need counter space. So, this will be my counter space. That's my stove right now. And that, we all know what that is. Okay, so, let's give you this view. Where's the hole? Okay, tray's locked in place. Being held by that pin, and another pin there as soon as I can find one. So there's the tray. Alright. Fridge goes there. There's my table. There's my counter space. There's my pantry. These are screwed down. These are screwed down. Okay, I'm going to pull over and cook. I haven't cut the stand to form yet. Working on that. But, so the idea is, ready to cook. I'll lift both pins. One there and one there. I'll pull this out. Push that pin down into the other hole on my countertop. And that brings this way out here. See, my knee. And then it'll have a stand underneath to keep it stable. Dun, da, da. And then that way I can put my stove on it and cook right here without leaning forward. All right. Let's get that other hole drilled and move forward. Forward march until they fall. There's the hole. There's the hole up front. So, look how much that brings that out. And I still have to put the legs under here, but yep, that's gonna work. I gotta get one for the other side so it doesn't go this way. And get that leg on there. And get that leg underneath here. Right on the back side of that. Right on. And then, done cooking. Lift up the bin. Slide the tray back. Find the hole. It'll be better aligned. And then I have my space. I'm not cooking. Woot woot. Okay, we got all 4 holes drilled on this. One there, one there, one underneath here, one underneath there. So this is how it's going to be held in place temporarily since I don't have another one of these. I just slid a dowel pin in there. I only got one left. Gave away a whole bunch of nuts, bolts, and hardware. My bag of bolts, I called it. So now I have to fit the table. So this will hold it. It won't go this way or that way. And then I have to fit this. Got to cut these legs down. And once I get that cut to size to the floor, I'll put the stabilizer bar where it needs to be to stop these legs from wobbling in and out. Alrighty, progress. So what I've done is I've turned this leg upside down and I'm going to level this table up, and I'm going to mark here, right here, where I need to cut it, and then add this much space, because there's a height difference there where the bar's going to sit. So I got to compensate for this. Okay, I've marked a spot, and no, I don't need to compensate because this is still going to be hitting the bottom of this. This is just the stopper, stabilizer. So, snow. It's freaking snowing. Oh my gosh. The base, or leg stabilizer, whatever you'd like to call it. Okay, got these cut down to size. Now I need to put the base in between, like so. On there. Well, it's gonna go in there. I'm going to use the already existing holes. I'm going to use this flathead with a washer on it. It's going to go on the outside. In between here and here, I'm putting this big fat washer as a spacer on both sides. Alright, well, these screws aren't long enough and I don't have any more, so I am going to take a bigger drill bit and recess these screws a little so that the screw holes, so that this will slip down inside a bit. Kind of like this. so the screw fits down inside, which gives me more on the outside. And there's the stand with washer spacing. And that'll keep the two legs from being wobbly. All right, forward. Okay, end of project. Travel mode. Tray, nice and secure on my counter space. There's my pots and pans. There's my tray. There's where my refrigerator goes. So let's see what it looks like extended. And there we have the kitchen tray extended. All right. See how far it brings it out? The clearance. Still space for me to sit once I get my foam pad back on. It's nice and secure. There's my long counter space. I could cook comfortably and securely. So there it is. All repurposed and beautiful. Alrighty then. Hey, this is Macgyver Sharon. Peace, love, and understanding, everybody. But take care of yourselves out there. Take care of each other too. Time for tea.